Hey little champs, welcome back to my channel Color Book. Are you ready for a little drawing challenge? Draw a circle. Now draw another smaller circle inside it. Leave some space and draw the second circle, and just like before, draw a smaller circle inside it. Now take your ruler and draw a straight line. The school bus is on its way, but wait, we need to draw it first. Draw the front part of the school bus. Now use your ruler to draw the top of the school bus with a straight line. Give it a small curve. Draw another straight line. Our school bus shape is now ready. Draw one light at the front and one light at the back. Awesome! Now draw the front windshield. After that, it's time to draw the windows. I am adding a fun design to our school bus with straight lines. Inside the front windshield, draw one more line. Now draw the little mirror at the front. Let's write a school bus in the center of the bus. Take your yellow color and color the school bus. Windshield with sky blue color. Color all the windows with sky blue. Front mirror with brown color. Color the school bus design with brown. Color the small circles inside the wheels with brown. Color the longest strip at the bottom of the bus with brown. Color the wheels with black. I am using red color for the front and back light. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Our drawing journey ends here today. Get ready for another fun creation next time. Bye bye.